Assalamu alaikum class. My name is Engineer Hassanza and our subject is Engineering Mechanics AGN 2103. We have completed our first 7 lectures and this lecture is lecture number 8, chapter number 3. And from chapter number 3 we have covered equilibrium, then definition, equilibrium conditions, then equilibrium in special two-dimensional free body diagrams in 2 dimension, and then we have solved a number of numerical problems. Next we have equilibrium in 3 dimension, equilibrium condition for 3 dimension and its certain values and aspects as well. Just a minute. So equilibrium condition, according to equilibrium in 3 dimensions, the summation of forces must be equal to 0 and summation of moment must also be equal to 0. For summation of forces is equal to 0 can be described as summation of forces in x direction is equal to 0, summation of forces in y direction is equal to 0, and summation of forces in z direction is also equal to 0, because we are dealing with 3 dimensions. And as far as concern of movement, summation of movement is equal to 0 in terms of x, y and z direction. So basically it's just related to the 2 dimension, but here is an additional third direction as z direction. Then free body diagram, as we had discussed in chapter number 2, is the schematic diagram that represent the isolated system and all the forces acting on this isolated system. Then categories of equilibrium: category 1, all the forces must be equal to 0. Category 2, for equilibrium condition all the moments must also be equal to 0. And the important aspect is the modeling the action of forces in 3-dimensional analysis. And the first condition is member in contact with smooth surface. It means if there is a smooth surface there will be no frictional force, or ball support member. So condition is smooth surface and ball supported member. And free body diagram is as force must be normal to the surface and directed to the member. The next one is the member in contact with the rough surface as previously, but the difference is there is rough surface involved and there must be a frictional force. The possible exists for a force F tangent to the surface friction force 2 on the member. In case of normal force is perpendicular to the surface and tangent force is along the tangent of the direction to the surface. Then ruler or wheel support with lateral construct. A lateral force be exerted by guide on the wheel can exist in addition to the normal force. A lateral force B is also available there. Ball and socket joint. In case of balls and socket there must be 3-dimensional reactions or the forces we can say as Rx, Ry, Rz. Then fixed connection, there are normal forces and then movement about these forces as well. Then thrust bearing, normal forces and movements in these direction as well. Then the categories of equilibrium, as the first category of equilibrium, concurrent at the point, all the forces must meet at the point and summation of the forces must equal to the 0. Summation of forces in x direction, y direction and z direction is also equal to 0. Then concurrent with the line, summation of forces is equal to 0 and summation of movement is also equal to 0. Parallel means the line of action of the forces are different but parallel to each other. It means that all the forces are lie in the same plane. So summation of forces in x direction is equal to 0 if all the forces are in x direction, but it can be in y direction, then summation of forces in y direction will be equal to 0, or summation of forces in z direction can also be equal to 0 if the parallel forces lie in the z plane. So in this case all the forces lies in the x direction horizontal plane. So summation about movement, of movement about y-axis is equal to 0 and about z-axis also equal to 0. General all the forces in the direction. summation of all the forces in three dimension will be equal to